Hello everyone, Smaida here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to build this beautiful slider. So I am a huge fan of FromSoftware games and came across their website and it got this beautiful custom slider. So today I'm going to show you how to build this in bricks just using interactions. So yeah, let's dive in. So we add section. Let's name it hero slider. The container will be a slider. Let's make the container 100% width. And the height will be 100 VH. The background, let's make it black. Add our first slide, so block. Name it slide. And give it class of slide. We go to the layouts. Give it a width of, let's say, 20 VW. And height will be 100%. And let's rotate it to -20. Make it relative. Left will be -15 VW. And let's add our cover. So add another block. Let's name it image. Give it a class of image. Let's add our first cover. So it will be Sekiro. And select the class. Make it 100 VW. Let's make it in the min, and height will be 100%. Okay. So let's make it wall. And let's rotate to the original position. Make it center. And select the whole slide. Make the overflow hidden, so everything stays in place. Do it to the container hidden, so nothing comes out of it. And let's, sorry, mirror wall doesn't make it in the class, so make it center. Go to the cover, the background, and make it top center. Yeah. So far so good. So we go to the layouts. See, let's add our logo. So it will be an image. Let's name it logo. Give it a class of logo. Select our logo, will be Sekiro. And let's make it center. And adjust the logo width. So let's make it something like 16%. 16%. Okay. So let's duplicate this. Make it row first and container. Let's duplicate this to 4, 5, 6. Okay. Shrink 0. Sure to do this. And let's change our covers. So we select the task and change the logo for this one. Do it for the other covers and logos. Be night rain. This will be armored core. Core. Elder ring. Save it and see how it looks like. So let's make the shrink 0. So take all the places. And let's make the logos. This one, the first one will be 7 VW left, and the last one will be on the right 4 VW. So we take the right place. So far so good. So let's add our CSS. So make it black and white. So we add filter, grayscale, 100%. And let's see, okay. Go to the slide, the layout, and we make it 0.6 opacity to make it darkened. And let's make the opacity for the logos goes to 0. Select the class, it's 0. It's okay. Now everything is in its place. check. So let's change the positions of the covers. So this one will be top center, this one also top center, and this one will be bottom center, and this one, let's make it center, center. It's the same, and the last one will be bottom center. Save, see how it looks. So okay, looks nice. Same for the FromSoftware website. Same. Let me just the middle one, so make it clearer. So we make 30 VW. Let me just make it in the ID 30 VW, just to make sure it looks the same. So yeah, it's identical. Great. Very great. So right now we're going to add our interactions to make it like this. So it added the color and making the logos appear. So we target the container and go to the custom CSS and add our custom class, name it active, and add inside of it width will be 30 VW, and add the filter grayscale to 0 to make the colors appear, and we add the opacity to 1, so we remove the darken that we add in the slider. So let's remove this one, make it normal, and our interaction. So we were going to choose the mouse enter. It's different from the hover. It stays when you hover on the slide, it stays wherever the slide stays open. So we add our class, custom class, and the target will be self. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so it got in all our slides. See. So yeah, we done it on the class, so we should remove it from here to adjust in the ID. So we add the mouse enter and set attributes. Key will be class, and our custom class active self. Let's see how it looks. So yeah, it worked. So let's add the transition to the class to make it smoother. Let's see the animation. So yeah. So right now we're going to add to the another slide with the same interaction and see how it looks. So set attribute, key will be class, the value will be our custom class active, on self. Let's see. So yeah, it worked. But right now we need to, when we hover on the second slide or the first slide, it stays just the slide that we hover on open. So we add another one, make it mouse enter, remove the attributes, class active, and the target will be our slide class. So whenever I hover on any of them, the other slides will removed. The class will be removed from them. So as you can see here, so yeah, let's make it for this one, and be sure to put it in the top. So mouse enter, remove attribute, the key will be class active, target will be the slide class. Do it the same for the rest of them. So remove key class active, selector, be slide, duplicate it and make it set to attribute and self. Do the same here. Make sure to put it in set attribute and on self. Make for the last one. Enter. Action will be remove attribute. Put the active on all of our slides. Add our class to this slide. So let's see how it looks. So yeah, looks nice. Very good. So right now we got another problem will be solved. That's the last slide. It don't got the enough space. So how to fix this? We go to the container and add another custom class that we will be targeting the first one. So we add something like slide space, and the width will be 15 VW. So let's change the ID names. Let's rename it so we can target the first one, the ID. So name this Sekiro. Second ID, let's rename it to, this is not necessary, but it's make everything clean and readable and fast. So just rename the IDs. Make this one core, this one Elden Ring or Elden. Let's make it Elden. And the last one will be Blood. Okay, so let's target the last one. We add the interaction and we give it space, so the first one shrinks to 15 VW. So we set attributes and the key will be class. The value will be our class that we added So will be slide space, and the target will be the first slide. So we add the ID of Sekiro. Let's see. Okay. Yep. You can see here it got more space, but right now the first one need to be adjusted also. So we target the first one, add another traction to make it back to normal. So we remove attribute class, and the value will be class that we made. So it will be removed when we hover on the first slide. So let's save and see. Yep, it worked and looks nice. Very good. So far, so good. So right now we're going to add, to make the logos appear when we hover on each slide. So go add another class, custom one, target all logos. So root will be something like logo active, and inside of it will be opacity to 1. Okay, let's go to the logo. Nope, we target the parent, and we go to the interaction and set to mouse enter, and we set attribute class and our made up class, so logo active, and we'll be targeting the child. So we add the ID and space and dot the child class, the logo class. So let's see. Yep, it worked. Very nice. So let's add another one to make it the same as we did with the slides. So make this just on the logo, logo class, and remove attributes. So whenever we hover on another one, the logo disappears, and focus only on the hovered one. So we go add mouse enter, remove class, logo active, sorry, and CSS selector will be hashtag our ID and the child of this ID. So ID, nope, we removing, so we duplicate it and made this one set, and add our ID, dusk, and space, and dot logo. So let's see. So it work. So let's just add our transition to see the animation happen. So yep, looks really nice. So we will do it the same with the other slides. Let's just do it. Class, logo active, and we will remove the logo, duplicate it, and add this to set attributes. and add here our ID of this logo. So night rain. Let me see. Yep. Looks really nice. So we do the same with the rest. When we hover, we remove this class from any of other slides and just keep this slide logo appear. So let's see. Oh, here not appearing. Let's see. Selector, target. Oh yeah. This to set. Put this to set attributes. So let's see. So yeah, here it is, guys. Fully functional custom hero slider. Looks amazing, same as this one. We just duplicated in Bricks. This is show how powerful Bricks is, just using the interactions. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and hope you learned something new here. So if you did, please just subscribe and leave a like, and if you got any questions, just put them down below in the comments. So yeah, guys, thank you again. See you on the next one. Goodbye.